Just stood on a giant rock. We're in Dartmoor, aren't we? Rocks everywhere. But look at this cool dude up here, jamming around on his bike, having a good bit of fun. We were going to take his boots, but we'll let him have them today. He's called for reinforcements. We'll let him keep their boots this time, won't we, mate? We had to back out before we got in. before we got done over. Before we got our boots taken off us. We lost our nerve right at the edge here, didn't we? Oh gosh, we'll live to tell another day. Oh gosh.
Some more tracks there.
Some more tracks there, man. What do you reckon that is?
Oh, I don't know.
I reckon it's a tractor. Not sure if I should have introduced a new video cut where we're going to probably do two or three episodes from this one. Be like the old days where you used to get a bonus for EastEnders, wasn't it? It's on every day this week, man. Got a cliffhanger. Oh gosh, who shot Phil? Be one of them, wouldn't it? If anyone doesn't know EastEnders, hashtag Phil Mitchell.
Don't spoil it.
Check it. Oh yeah, sure. I better not say anything else, man. Right, yeah, go over and check out EastEnders. Yeah, I think they used to have a little cheeky word with Mr. BBC, didn't they? Right, we're going to be on an extra day this week. We got some killer stuff going on. By the way, it was Lisa that shot Phil. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I'm gonna lose subs now, and I can't believe he told her. Crikey, be waiting. How long was that? That were weeks before we found that out, wasn't it? That was huge back then, wasn't it? That was before the days of all yeah. Spoiler alert.
And rewind and pause.
Rewind, pause, stop, pause, go again. Right, as we say, this might be episode 2, might be on episode 1, but I hope you're enjoying it. Sorry if I didn't do an introduction for the second episode, but as I say, this one might be an omnibus. I think that's the wrong term, actually. It'll all be on the omnibus. Check out on Friday, you can catch up the week's time. Tune. I'm tired of seeing rubbish out here. One of the greatest ever female voices here. I could swear I've been here before. Cheeky peach. Lovely stuff. That's a farewell to Dartmoor. And a hello to Long Timber Woods. Kate just telling me the difference between this type of viaduct and a keystone viaduct. So what would a keystone viaduct be, Kate?
So basically at the middle of the archway there's a central stone called the keystone, and that supports all the other stones leading up to it, and there's ledges going up and they support all the stones, and essentially when the last 2 bits of wood are taken out of the keystone, that's when you know whether you've built it correctly or not.
Oh, lovely stuff. There we are, not just out here camping. Bit of knowledge in there for you people. Got this fire kicking up nicely now, purring away that one. Got a nice little stool next to that. Can obviously prep the food, get on, sit and tend to it. Yeah, just in this lovely little woodland. Absolute beauty. Showing you the other day on another video, depending which video goes up first. So yeah, I've done a nice little stroll down through Long Timber Woods, doing a bit of just having a walk around, so on and so forth. And yeah, here we are. Thought I'd come and camp here for the night off of Dartmoor. So we didn't film too much at the end of Dartmoor, just because the fact that we've been through there, and obviously I want to show different content, and obviously just for myself I want to see different things. So yeah, walk through them areas a bit quicker, get to places that just give me a little bit more of an awe. And yeah, of course, if it's sunny tomorrow, we're going to be in here wild swimming, then yeah, just gonna chill, just gonna call it a chilled one. Little bit of foraging as well tomorrow, I think. Should be a lovely day. Lovely stuff over in Kate's kitchen over here. What's the first course tonight, Kate?
Oh, we have salmon, courgette, leeks, and then I put the spinach on the top so it doesn't wilt and go too soggy.
Lovely. Some are the potatoes to go with that one?
No, potatoes to go with a steak. Oh, maybe either or. No, we've got croquettes to go with steak.
Yeah, there we are. Croquettes to go with the steak. Yeah, we don't want to give too much away, so yeah, we'll show you as we do each course there, won't we? It's going to be absolutely amazing though. We both kind of bought a couple of main meals, so we're basically just dining in style out here, aren't we?
Yeah.
M&S can't touch us. That isn't liable. That looks delicious. Yum yum. Bon appetit. Here we are, round 2. Hashtag living the dream. Potato and cheese croquettes, steak, asparagus, peppercorn sauce. Honestly, people can smell that. They'll be here soon. Now, honestly, absolutely outdoing it tonight, Kate. Living it. On the Cadbury's hot chocolate tonight. What would you have given that one?
It was better than the Malteser one.
Oh, you think?
Yeah, sure.
Here we are, big up the Cadbury's. Get a little taste test. Whoa. Got to agree. No other way around a hot chocolate Cadbury's, isn't there? So that one I'd give a good 9. That's 9 out of 10 there. What do you say?
Yeah, 9 out of 10. What did I give the Cadbury's? 9.
Yeah.
The
Malteser you give a 9.
Oh. Okay, I'll give that one 10.
That 9. Oh gosh, man, 10. There you are, Cadbury's. If you've heard that, give us a shout out.
My skin feels quite soft considering I've been on sweaty.
Fire dying off. Gonna call that one a night. See you in the AM. Kate trying to pucker up the coals from last night. So a different method of getting the old fire lit. Here we are. Captain Kate blowing these coals from last night in the flame. Next up be the ferro rod doing it with that, okay? Some mad. Look at that. First try, she's got a killer there. That one's gonna go up beaut. Yeah, now just try and drop them, but keep them together, and keep blowing in there. Keep getting in there. Start putting these like that, for example. There you go. See, now that one's catching. There you go. Now if you let go gently, just so they rest, and then keep blowing. And now you can start adding on top. There you go. Honestly, one try is all this girl needs. Little brekkie. Breakfast time. Got a bacon sizzling away. Smelling handsome. Got a lovely breakfast on there. Nice coffee, lovely breakfast. Tuck this one down then. Gonna head down for a little bit of a wild swim, eh, Med?
Mouthful of meat here, leave me alone.
That sounds disgusting. So lovely breakfast. And I think we're gonna head down for a little bit of wild swimming in a minute. Lovely day. Sun's just piercing through. So let's tuck this one down and see where we go. Something aesthetic just about watching that coming up. Oh, she blows. So we got brekkie out of the way, and as advertised, we are going to be going for a little bit of a wild dip. Beauty of a spot. Happy to be going swimming, Kate?
I am happy.
I know, you've been buzzing for this, haven't you? There we go. Kate is quite the wild swimmer, by the way, so if you can't find her in the sea, you find her in a lake, and worst case scenario, a pond. And yeah, today more of a river actually today, so
I think it's quite deep in the middle there.
quite deep in the middle there. Think we get any crayfish down there? Turn a few stones and have a look, can we?